Hello and welcome to Money Maximized. Today we are going to talk about 7 principles for teenagers to become millionaires. Becoming a millionaire is an ambitious goal, and instilling certain principles from a young age can set teenagers on a path toward financial success. Here are 7 principles for teenagers to consider on their journey to potentially becoming millionaires. Financial education. Embrace a commitment to continuous financial education. Learn about budgeting, investing, and the power of compounding. Develop a strong foundation in understanding money and its dynamics. Entrepreneurial mindset. Foster an entrepreneurial mindset by exploring creative ideas and identifying opportunities. Encourage a proactive and problem-solving approach to challenges. Savings discipline. Develop a disciplined savings habit. Encourage teenagers to save a portion of their income or allowance consistently. The earlier they start saving, the more time their money has to grow. Investing early. Introduce the concept of investing and the power of compound returns. Consider long-term investments in stocks, mutual funds, or other vehicles to benefit from compounding over time. Goal setting. Teach the importance of setting financial goals. Whether it's saving for education, starting a business, or investing, having clear goals provides direction and motivation. Avoiding debt traps. Instill the value of responsible financial behavior, emphasizing the importance of avoiding unnecessary debt. Teach the difference between good and bad debt and the potential long-term consequences of poor financial decisions. Networking and mentorship. Encourage networking and seeking mentorship from successful individuals. Learning from the experiences of others can provide valuable insights and guidance. While these principles lay a foundation for financial success, it's essential for teenagers to understand that becoming a millionaire often involves hard work, resilience, and adapting to changing circumstances. Ultimately, becoming a millionaire as a teenager requires discipline, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and take risks. By starting early, developing good financial habits, and seeking out opportunities for growth and learning, teenagers can set themselves on the path to achieving their financial goals. It is important to remember that while the journey to becoming a millionaire may be challenging, it is certainly attainable with the right mindset and determination. Additionally, life goals should extend beyond wealth accumulation, encompassing personal fulfillment, contribution to society, and holistic well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.